atmosphere. So right now, as you can see this tree in front of you, some parakeets are coming right there. So it's a beauty of nature. Like right now we are able to just see a tree, but actually there is a lot of happening in there. So there is kind of a fight going on inside. There are two teams. In one team there are babblers, parakeets, maina and drongo, and in another team there is only one man army kind of a bird, which is serpent eagle. Oh, see, it took a flight. Oh, it's coming right here. Oh wow, oh wow, it just came here. See, the birds are getting active again, like for defense obviously. See, the babblers are also coming to move the eagle away. Each and everyone is trying their best to move that eagle away. Again, there is no visibility, but still in nature it's always a lot of things going on. Whoa. So sometimes nature can be seen by ears. So this is it for now. It was the journey from that tree to this tree, this sacred space, this sacred tree. Okay, a lot of gratitude and signing out for now. Bye bye. This is the one.